Welcome to a PCG presentation. PCG is the leading independent NetSuite consulting and optimization company. We specialize in delivering on the promises of Industry 4.0, digital transformation, and business sustainability by bridging the gap between business requirements and NetSuite technologies. PCG customers enjoy unparalleled business sustainability advantage and technology project success from the simplest to the most complex. Why PCG? 4 key factors. Leadership. We're recognized as a high-performance leader in consulting and implementation. We're a pioneer and early adopter of the NetSuite solution and the longest tenured NetSuite and SuiteSuccess alliance partner. Our expertise, drawing from a large pool of mature tenured industry veterans, is unparalleled. Finally, we're well accomplished in the delivery of complex solutions in an array of industries that accelerate growth and deliver value. Those factors have helped PCG earn NetSuite's Vertical Alliance Partner of the Year in manufacturing for the past 2 years. Our customer base is wide and broad across a variety of different industries, to include consumer packaged goods and retail, life sciences, wholesale distribution, and manufacturing. Our guiding principles drive all of our activities. We are a hands-on team. We do the work, we never outsource. We have predictable fees based on tight scopes, strict change orders, no surprises. Our industry knowledge, business acumen, understanding of process and technology is superior. We are exceptionally customer focused from cradle to grave, and we offer scalable and flexible project plans to deliver the results that you need. Those guiding principles have led us to over 400 successful ERP implementations. Our service channels for the NetSuite community are fourfold. We offer assessment and strategy, helping clients to understand why NetSuite is the right choice for them, as well as optimizing the platform. In the emerging market space, our Velocity for NetSuite offering truly helps deliver value in rapid fashion. Our corporate approach allows our domain expertise to take on much more complex, larger projects when necessary. And for those really looking to take that last step of the manufacturing stairway, we offer smart manufacturing through our partner Tulip that delivers an MES solution coveted by many NetSuite customers. Finally, PCG brings Industry 4.0 to the table. Yes, the fourth industrial revolution is here. The next generation of operational technologies is available to us, and ERPs must be well connected in order to maximize the business value. Innovation will truly come from the data and the digital improvements customers can make with their platform and connected machines. Data must naturally be secured by enterprise-grade technologies, which NetSuite delivers. And if you really think about, in totality, Industry 4.0 starts with SuiteSuccess. Welcome to Velocity for NetSuite. In short, it is PCG's expanded SuiteSuccess delivery model designed to maximize your customer value. We follow the NetSuite SuiteSuccess methodology. We engage, we drive, we enable, and we convert. However, we recognize that sometimes the customer needs more time working through those phases or would benefit greatly from on-site assistance collaborating with them. So, Velocity for NetSuite is designed to provide that extra time, or being on-site for critical customer activities, such as the personalization sessions, or what we like to include as a SuiteSuccess orientation, the first walkthrough, train-the-trainer sessions that go along with that, user acceptance training, and cutover or go-live activities, where those extra hours or that consultant right there with you makes a big difference in your go-live success. Why do we call it Velocity? To use a sports analogy, everyone knows that top-level athletes have a consistent record of training and improving their performance. gaining speed or velocity, jumping higher, going farther as they compete, and doing whatever it takes to win. In the world of business systems, velocity by PCG means you achieve the same thing by growing implementation strength, increasing delivery accuracy, and building excitement through faster and broader team acceptance as the go-live event approaches and the new platform is rolled out. Championship level implementations happen with efficient and effective skill, experience, and leadership that takes you into the winner's circle of real business value creation. Why would you need velocity for NetSuite? There are several reasons. They would include the following. Your processes may be sufficiently complex where making that transformation from the shop floor to the platform acumen that PCG provides could make a big difference for your organization. You may have a lack of bench strength, where the customers, in their own efforts to delight their customers, may not have the right internal resources or skills to take on an implementation project. Your migrations of your data from your current systems to NetSuite may not be so simple. Or if coming from QuickBooks, some of the key elements needed to drive NetSuite manufacturing may not even exist. You agree and recognize that a phased approach makes great sense for your organization, but you may be uncertain as to how to best set up the system to logically enable future growth stages and taking on additional functionality or modules. All of that are reasons that people recognize that velocity for NetSuite helps them actually accelerate their value capture as they bring on the NetSuite platform. How do we do this? We really believe in configuration flexibility. We try to understand how your actual business processes in your organization best fit the SuiteSuccess editions. We recognize that all configuration endeavors are not the same. We have expanded our approach and we try to categorize implementations as easy, medium, and hard, and adjust the hours or the on-sites accordingly. Think of easy as a standard NetSuite SuiteSuccess implementation that's relatively straightforward. Medium and hard would be indicative of business processes where there's a little more complexity. What you do to satisfy your customer may be slightly more nuanced, and you need that PCG acumen to help you model that correctly within the platform. Regardless of whether it's easy, medium, or hard from our perspective, what's important is PCG's project plan and implementation effort is still easy on the budget. We deploy the project via a strict scope, making sure that all time spent or on-site visits deployed, go live support provides you with a no surprise outcome. What might easy, medium, and hard actually look like? Well, let's take one of the business processes. Let's look at design to build, and let's talk about what distinguishes organizations. It could be the number of assembly items, because keeping in mind that as part of the SuiteSuccess approach, the customer is responsible for much of the data creation that'll go into the system. More items creates more demand, possibly more stress for your internal organization. We know how to help you with that. How many levels of the BOM do you have? That is important in setting up your supply planning and the assembly items in general and the inventory items that feed them. How many units of measure are required? What type of conversions are essential in your business place? When you make your products, what do your value streams look like? How do those value streams need to get converted into NetSuite routings so scheduling and planning and reporting makes sense and is practical and efficient? How many work centers do you have across all of those routings? What type of supply plan replenishment makes the most sense to deploy across your array of items? Do you have any contract manufacturing? All of these elements can add to and distinguish an easy from a medium from a hard configuration. PCG recognizes that and helps you put the appropriate project plan together. If you think about the other business processes, record to report, lead to quote, procure to pay, order to cash, Each one of those processes also have elements that can be nuanced and affect the key things that need to take place during the configuration process. Between PCG's platform acumen and your process expertise, all of these business processes can be modeled effectively and efficiently. So when you go live on NetSuite, your business organization smoothly operates and drives the type of return you expect out of the platform. Ultimately, what is the PCG advantage of deploying a Velocity for NetSuite strategy? If you think about the way that NetSuite looks at the SuiteSuccess Stairway to Success, all engagements follow a typical platform utilization perspective that over time value is generated. If on average the curve looks like this, what we believe by applying more hours at the appropriate business processes or spending time in your operation with you, we believe that we can help you take that next step, begin to optimize your NetSuite platform sooner with far greater likelihood of value capture, because we understand what you do and how your people work most effectively. We recognize where you have opportunities to grow and how do we continue to help you match your physical assets and processes to how they're modeled in the system, where it makes sense to take on more functionality, to possibly implement more modules. So as you start to optimize sooner, we know that ultimately, depending on your objectives, bringing the smart factory to life through expanding your NetSuite configuration is really what takes you to the next level. When you look at all that, growing that additional value for your business sooner and faster is really the velocity advantage. Let's get started on optimizing your NetSuite future today. We hope this webinar has provided an initial orientation to PCG and Suite Velocity. Let's help you think about an appropriate project area or the right way to configure your NetSuite implementation project plan so you can start to receive the benefits of the NetSuite platform, see sustainability in action, and truly get your company on the path to business sustainability, whether it be maximizing performance, capital, opportunities, and outcomes. Thank you for attending today's webinar, and we hope to see you on the web again real soon to learn more about PCG.